Hello guys, welcome to another video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you the basics and the parts of DaVinci Resolve 16. So let's get started. So guys, as you now can see, actually you can see all these parts here in DaVinci Resolve, but you don't know what are these. So I'm going to tell you each part, and this video will be in 4 parts. So let me tell you this. So this area is called the workspace. So here what you put videos or audio, everything you can see here, and this option makes it dual screen or one screen. In this screen, if you have any clip, like if you have any clip, you can play it. If you play it here, you can see it here. And if you play take that clip into the timeline, and you can play it here. So I will take only one window. So here you have file. In this you can start a new project, new timeline. So what is the timeline? So this is a timeline. This part is the timeline. This whole part is the timeline. Now we have a new timeline. Actually this is a new timeline. Now we can save the project. We can save the project as. We can import a file, import a project. You can import a timeline, import a metadata too, and import batch list from EDI. So this quick export gives us these resolutions, like it's 0.24, means it will automatically click the resolutions. So now I will go to the next one, which is called edit. You can undo, redo, and see the history, and you can copy, paste edit attributes, duplicate one clip, delete the selected clip, repeal, delete. Means delete, don't stop deleting. Next, inserting, overwriting. You can replace, you can place on top of anything. Repeal override, not stopping repealing override. Fit to fill, means till the video fills you can fit it by clicking this. Append to end of the timeline. Next, multicam. Next, switch to timeline after edit. Yes, obviously we should switch to timeline after edit. This should be enabled. Decompose compound clips on edit. Next one is trim. You can go to normal edit mode. You can go to trim mode by clicking T. This is the trim mode. This one is the trim mode. You can this one is the trim mode. You can this is called blade edit mode, or this is the trim mode. Now this is dynamic trim mode, toggle slip or slide mode, blade edit mode. Select nearest edit point, select nearest video edit point, select nearest audio edit point, select nearest clip or cap, edit point type, toggle V plus V or A, select nearest edit to, select nearest clip to, nudge, starting of the trim, ending of the trim, extend the edit, extend edit selection to, move edit selection to, resize the clip, ripple the clip, roll the clip, split playhead to, fade into playhead, fade out to playhead, slip audio, slip eye. So these three I'm going to explain here. And now let's go to this side. This timeline, from timeline to mark, I'll explain in next part. So in the inspector, for suppose if you take any video, for suppose you take my video, you'll get all the aspects of this, like the mode, means the filter, add, color burn, color dodge, darken color, difference divide. And you get the transform, like zoom in, like this is the up and this is down, you can up, and this is also up and down. And this position, this is side to side, this is vertical and horizontal. And the rotation, you can rotate it. The anchor point, same as the position. The pitch, the yaw, now the flip. You can reset to the defaults by clicking this, and this is the flip. And now this is the cropping. we have the dynamic zoom, we have stabilization, we have retime and scaling, lens correction. Dynamic zoom I said once before video. So here this is the part of the video. These are the video settings and these are the audio settings. Volume of the clip, the pan of the clip, the audio pan of the clip, the clip pitch, pitch of the clip, and the clip equalizer. You can put the audio, you can equalize it. If you enable, you can equalize it. Because as now you can see I'm project in DaVinci Resolve, and now let's start. So take a Fusion text and put it into the timeline. I will name it as animation. So take any font you like, so I'm taking a game font and I'll decrease the size. And now let's put, it's your wish how you equalize it or de-equalize it. Now let's go to the next part. This is called a mixer. You can this is the audio mixer. You can mix the audio 1 and the main one. The A1 means audio 1, M1 means main one. This is the clip volume. Audio 1 clip volume, main one clip volume. And this is the audio 1. You can decrease or increase the volume of the clip. Now I'll go to this mode. This is even called trim mode. This is even called the trim mode. Now here you can trim anything by clicking this. Means this boring detector detect any parts of the video which are boring. This is a great feature of DaVinci Resolve, and this is the trim mode where you can trim this, clip and separate this clip out. And this is the smart insert, append, ripple override, close up, place on top, source override, cut, dissolve, smooth cut. Now I'll go to this mode and show you all the buttons here. Now you can crop, dynamic zoom, or OpenFX overlays, annotations, anything you can put here. This is the clip, means where is the clip marker, you can go to there. Just clicking this and pull your mouse to the right or pen to right, pull your mouse or pen to left. That takes this marker to right or left. Now this is the starting button, this is the ending button of the clip, not the timeline, ending button of the clip. See, here we have one other clip. This goes to the ending button of the clip. This is the front play button, and this is the back play button, and this is the stop button, and this is the loop button, and this is the match frame, this is the mark in and mark out. Now down here this is trim edit mode, dynamic trim mode, blade edit mode. This is insert clip, this is override clip, this is replace clip, this is snapping, linked selections, position lock, and these are the markers. These two are the markers, and this is the size of the timeline. Like this, like any size you can put. This is the size of the timeline. And here is the audio. You can decrease or increase the audio of the video. Now here the dim mode, it will dim to 1, and if you close this, if you off this, it will be as it is. Now in this video, this much. In part 2 I'm going to show you the other, like timeline, clip and mark, and here metadata, and here I'm going to show you what are these parts.